On today's episode of MotoCheez.
Wow. The following movie is rated I.
They did that pretty good. Not bad. They did a good job on that. Solid front axle. That rear perch is a little far back, but not bad. Not bad at all.
Breakfast!
I got Art's special.
French toast and eggs and sausage.
Yeah, and you got corned beef hash and potatoes, and you got French toast and bacon. We'll see if I remember to rate it at the end instead of popping the numbers up this time. 1 to 10.
6, 7. Good, yes.
8.
Yeah, I say mine was 8.
A few moments later.
What is it here?
That's the big one, boy.
Here, you got this.
Yeah, isn't that?
You got this to grab its mouth.
Not the big one today. Take a picture of that thing. He's fucking.
This you can grab its mouth. Look. Look.
Hold on. Damn.
That's a good sized catfish. Holy cow. You don't want that.
Told you guys. You guys thought I was playing.
Do you want this or not?
Probably.
You just grab it by the mouth. Probably not? You said probably. Jesus Christ, Chris. Make up my mind. Oh, I see the little one. What's up? You're a little baby, huh?
Yeah, must be like 6 months old.
There's 4 of them in there?
Oh yeah, there's one right underneath them.
Oh, there's the other one on the left. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
I'd have a raccoon.
I did when I was a kid. I see one back there too. Where'd that other one go? I see him in there. He's like right there. You want food or something? You guys are cute, huh? You too? Island coons. We could tell that one was a mama because when we came here we saw the boobs.
Got food for you. Got food for you. Yeah. Got food
There
for
we
you.
go.
Got food for you. Look at it. Look at it. There you go.
Oh, teaching them how. Look at them all.
There's still more. Go a little closer. They're still following mama. Let them have something for it. There you go. Oh yeah.
You see that guy? He's got some spread over there. Yeah, red, white, and blue boat. That's the way to live right there. He's got pontoon boat, a little boat, and his main house. Boom boom shrimp.
Try this.
Chicken fingers and fries. Burger. What'd you get, the cracker burger? I'm offended.
I put it right there too.
Cracker hot sauce.
Every time I come in the kitchen, you in the kitchen, eating up all the food.
1 to 10?
5.
5. Chicken fingers?
Good. 8.
8. Last time you said 9.
That's 11.
Oh yeah, that is the best. Mine was right there, 8.5. Pretty clear if it wasn't for the grass.
Yeah, you can touch that. That's cool. I thought it was a Tupperware box.
That is neat. That must be a rental.
I like that. pretty uppity around here. Those look fun.
That's why there's no alcohol here.
Wow.
Just trying to dry off, eh? What's up, chicken? What? What, you want some? Huh? You want some of this? Look at him all puffed out. And start throwing wings. Here comes a pirate. Hope he doesn't try to board our ship. Ahoy! Ahoy, mate! We don't want any trouble.
White flag.
No. As long as you're not a butt pirate. Legit swan boat.
Now I'm a pirate.
Now you're a pirate. It's a quiet zone.
Using stonework and brickwork here, huh?
Now stepping into the quiet zone. I know it's Twilight Zone.
Why don't you buy us one of these, man?
Kayak only. That's where the spring is. Go right through there. Can you fit there, Andrew?
If I hit them hard enough, I'll fit between them. Chris, you gotta go be there.
Oh, what's that say? Non-motorized vessel tie-up only.
Meaning tie
Well,
That says there too. It says non-motorized vessel tie-up only.
you couldn't see it while he was tying up over.
Oh boy, he's breaking the rules. What's up? All these birds want some.
Touch these hands. Here.
That has an animal door.
Yeah, cat door. Oh, maybe it's a little dog. Oh, wow, look at that. Good catch. Very good catch. Hold up, wait a minute.
He doesn't even care.
There. What's up, buddy? Good catch. Look at that guy's driveway. Drive right off into the water. Just back out of the garage and drive in the water. Maybe he's got an amphibian. What kind of bird are you?
Lurking. Like a vampire.
Need a bird book down here. He's watching you, watching us leave.
Round 7.
Yeah, 2 inches an hour, right? I can almost hit my head on this now. Oh yeah, almost. Look it. I'm touching it. On high tide, man, you can see all the scrapes where they had. Did you see all the scrapes? People probably forgot to put their tops down and just woo. He's a biggin. That's that banana spider everybody says you gotta watch out for. They were saying watch out when you run into one of those webs and you get one of those across your face.
Venomous?
I don't think they are. Look at the size of it compared to my finger. Wow. Woo, that's a big one. Okay, see the little gator. He's good size. Andrew found a nice little road right next to these sunken boats. We did a drone of these a while back. Oh, he's moving. Where are you going, Gator? See you later, alligator.
Oh yeah, alligator. Definitely it's an alligator though.
Oh yeah, dead alligator. Yeah.
Somebody want some skins?
Wow.
In the mailbox.
A little flooded out here.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.